Ahoy, young coders! Ready to set sail on a thrilling treasure hunt with Python? Today, we're going on a pirate adventure where we'll use the power of 4 loops to count our way to hidden treasure. Imagine you're a pirate captain and you found a map leading to a treasure chest. But to reach the treasure, you need to count your steps from 1 to 10. Luckily, Python's for loop is here to help you count each step without missing any. In Python, a for loop helps you repeat a task multiple times, just like counting your steps to reach the treasure. Let's see how it works. Here's how we set up our treasure hunt. Head over to your Code Funhouse editor and type. For step in range, open brackets, 1,11, close bracket, semicolon, print, open brackets, step close bracket. Click, run, and boom. You just printed 1 to 10 without writing them individually. So what just happened? Step 1. We use range 1,11 to create a sequence of numbers from 1 to 10. Step 2. The for loop goes through each number in that sequence. As the loop goes through each step, it prints a message like, Step 1, keep going, you're closer to the treasure. The loop will continue until you've counted all the way to 10, bringing you right to the treasure chest. The loop will print out each step, from step 1 to step 10, guiding you every step of the way until you reach the treasure. Now it's your turn, young pirate. Try changing the range to count from 5 to 15 instead. What happens if you change the starting number? Experiment with different ranges and see where your treasure hunt takes you. See how the for loop made it easy to count your steps? It's like having a magic compass that guides you to the treasure every time. Keep practicing your for loops, and soon you'll be coding up all sorts of adventures. Thanks for sailing with us on this pirate adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding treasures. Until next time, keep coding and keep exploring.